question is, find if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. But first of all, I would like to assign names to it, so as it becomes easy. Let me name it A, B, C, P, Q, R, whatever you want, you can give it a name. So I've given the points name. Now let us discuss the meaning of the term collinear. What does the term collinear means, beta? What does it mean?
एक के ऊपर एक
Straight line.
No, not एक के ऊपर एक. Collinear double L है. Line is hidden over there. Line is the hidden term. And co is a prefix which means same. We have to check if the points are collinear. Now can you read it? We have to check if the points are on the same
Line.
line. That is the meaning of the collinear term. Points are said to be collinear if they lie on the same
line.
All right. If they lie on the same, is even slightly above. If 3 points are not in the same line, what do they form? Any 3 points which are non-collinear will form what? What shape they will be forming?
Triangle.
Triangle.
Polygon. Polygon.
Yes, they will form a yes, polygon, and the polygon formed by 3 points is a triangle. And what is the property of triangle, children? You know, in a triangle, sum of 2 sides has to be
Greater than the
greater
third
than the.
side.
Yes. Now suppose the side is not greater but equal. Will it form a triangle? It will not form a triangle if the sum of 2 sides is equal to the third side. Right? Because that would mean that the 3 points are in the same straight line. They are not non-collinear. So collinearity के लिए condition ये होनी चाहिए, like if I name it A, B and C, A, B and C will be collinear if AB plus BC is actually equal to AC. If AB plus BC is actually equal to AC. Because if AB plus BC is going to be greater than AC, then we know it will form a triangle. And forming a triangle would mean that the triangles are not, the points are not collinear. Okay. I used to do this question with the formula of area of triangle in exercise 7.3. But as CBSE has deleted it for this year, so I'm going to do it with distance formula. Right? We shall do it with distance formula. 7.3 में हमें area of triangle का formula given था, so there we used to put condition that if 3 points are collinear, is there any triangle being formed? If the points are collinear, children.
No.
So we used to apply the fact that since the points are collinear, the area of triangle is 0. Why area of triangle 0? Because there is no triangle being formed. So that way we used to do it. लेकिन अब हम इसको distance formula से करेंगे, children. So what we have to do is, if the distance of any two length is equal to the distance of the third one, then we will call that the points are collinear. Otherwise, the points will not be collinear. Clear, beta? So I cannot say if the points are in order or what. So what we are going to do is, we are going to calculate AB using distance formula, BC also using distance formula, and then AC. All three. And we'll see if the sum of any two is equal to the third. If yes, points are collinear. If no, points are not collinear. Clear, beta? Now, children, we have done distance formula for two vertices. Here, what we are going to do is, see, 3 है, so I will call x1, x2, x3. Please see to it. Okay? Then y1, y2, y3. All right? So x1 is 1, 5, 2, 3, -2, -11. And beta, I will advise in the bracket write the name. It will help you save some confusion. Vertices also you put in the bracket so that you know. Now common sense. By distance formula, what will be distance AB beta? What should be the formula for finding AB?
x2 minus x1 whole square
plus y2 minus y1
2
square.
minus y1 whole square.
Y2 minus Y1 whole square. Right? Children, the values and solve it out. Now, if I have to find BC, I don't have to get worried. Instead of 1 and 2, now I will take care of 2 and 3. So what should be the formula, children?
x3 minus
x3 minus
x2
x2 whole square plus
y3
y3 minus
minus
y2.
y2 whole square.
You just don't have to get worried. Whichever is the value, you put that and solve it. No confusion should be there. All right. And lastly, we have calculated AB, BC, and which is the last one? AC.
AC.
For AC, what are we going to take care of? Which one?
x3
3
minus
minus x1.
x1 whole square.
Yes. So you don't have to get worried. You just focus on the distance, whichever distance is to be calculated. Focus on that. And I told you yesterday also that x1 minus x3 or y1 minus y3, anything you can write, either x1 minus x3 or x3 minus x1 square. It will not affect. All right, beta. Shall we solve it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Just solve it. Just put the values. Plus minus. It's 2 minus 1 square and y2 minus y1. 3 minus 5 square. Hanji beta. What is 2 minus 1?
1
1
1. And 3 minus 5?
minus 2.
minus 2.
Root 5.
So this is 1 square and this is minus 2 square. 4 is
Root
equal to
5.
root 5 units. Clear, bacha? Right? Now let us see BC. What is
Yes, ma'am.
this? X3 minus X2. X3 is minus 2. Minus 2 square. Plus minus 11. Minus 3 square beta. G. Minus minus.
Plus
4 square. 16.
4 square. And this is 14 square. Bolo, what is 4 minus 4 square?
16.
16.
And
16
14 square?
196
14 square? 96, which is equal to? Hanji. Which is equal to?
210
212.
root
Under
210
root 212
12.
units.
or
Units.
12.
And if you want to factorize, let's see what are you going to get.